Hi Aquarius, welcome back. This is your special reading for the next 24 hours. So we will be picking few cards for your general energies, your career situation and relationship Aquarius. Aquarius, if you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. And I request you to watch this reading till the end because at some point of this reading, you will get the clarity you are expecting to see today. So, we have cards for your present situation. What are the difficulties you're facing? Your future outcome. So let's start with this card here, Aquarius. It's Eight of Wands. So, in your situation, great changes, positive changes are coming for you. Things are going in a very good way. Maybe in your career, you are seeing beautiful changes, a growth, a new job, a better job, and circumstances are good. You are happy. And in your personal life, it may mean good things are waiting to unfold for you. In your personal life, you are happy with this person and you have a better understanding. Your understanding for each other is growing. Your relationship is gaining momentum. Things are speeding up. And we have Tower in reverse. So there are some changes in your situation, changes in your love. Maybe you would have wished or you would have hoped for a particular way of life, hoped for something different, but what you are seeing today is something else. But it is taking you by surprise. It is nothing you need to worry about, Aquarius. It is something beautiful unfolding for you in your situation. It is taking you towards your dreams and goals, your plans for your life. But the path may be different. Path may be something you never imagined, but the result is something that is going to be very beautiful. So your dreams and plans are working out in an unbelievable way, in a way you never expect to see. So we have Four of Swords and Devil. So though you are happy, you are having that surprise element with this person. You cannot predict what this person is going to do. Maybe sometimes they are just making a surprise visit, giving you gifts, making you very happy. You are happy for all that, but you have some thought on your mind. Maybe there is something with this person you cannot point out to, something that is not very practical, and you are focused on them, or they are focused on you, they are obsessed over you. So maybe for some of you, you have some worries on your mind. You are thinking whether it is true or not, whether this person is truly showing their love towards you, or they are simply obsessed over you. What is the reason for their behavior? So maybe for some of you, this person may have some habits or some obsessive behavior, something you wish to change, and you are thinking of ways to change them, or you are thinking of how to resolve the situation you have right in front of you. And though you love this person, though you feel totally happy, you feel really something like a roller coaster ride when you are with this person. It's very thrilling. But still, there are certain things you are worrying about this love, about this person. So, we will see what is this card. It's Queen of Pentacles in reverse. So you need to be a little careful, Aquarius. Though you feel truly happy to be with them, it is really fun to be with this person, but there are certain things that you cannot change about them. Maybe they are very friendly and kind, but you feel that you cannot trust them enough. They cannot be trusted and they are very much unpredictable. So that is the reason you're thinking of this love, whether you can trust them or not, whether you can rely on this person or not. So something is not right about this person. So we will see what are the cards for your situation, Aquarius. So we have Ace of Swords. So these cards are for your circumstances, and we have two more cards for your future outcome. So though you are you may be you need to be prepared for some kind of truth unfolding in your life very soon. Something is coming, some kind of clarity is coming to you, it is reaching you. You may see it as see it as a surprise, or you may not expect this truth, but some kind of clarity is coming to you and you are going to be really happy, content. You are going to feel really happy for learning this truth about this person. So some kind of information or a secret is coming out today, Aquarius. So we will see the final cards, the future outcome for you. So it's Two of Pentacles and Two of Swords. So again, a very important choice. You are going to make a very important choice. Maybe you must try to see the truth, try to adapt yourself, what will work for you. You must try to think with clarity and try to understand that what will work for you and what will be the right thing for you. And you are making a very important choice very soon, Aquarius. So that is what I see with these cards for you also. Some kind of a secret is coming out and you are going to make a choice based on that secret or that knowledge, information you are getting today. So that is the reading, Aquarius, for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I will see you next time. Bye, Aquarius.